If social media makes you think Facebook and LinkedIn, you may be overlooking Reddit.
This social channel is unique and sorted by topic, not people.
Reddit, in its assortment of conversations, is the 7th most visited site in the US.
Here are the top benefits of using Reddit for business.
Number 1, get insights into your target audience. Reddit is filled with thousands of niche forums.
Think of it as a no-holds-barred focus group. Xbox One checks in on Reddit forums on a regular basis.
Number 2, encourage user-generated content. New Belgium Brewing asked followers to create Photoshop images they could use on other social media channels.
Number 3, give and receive real-time information to your audience.
Once you've spent time listening to your customers, you'll be able to answer forum questions and provide high-visibility customer service.
Fashion retailer Nordstrom created their own subreddit where they're able to listen to customers and answer questions.
Beware, Reddit users flag salesy content, so be authentic about your efforts.
Need help getting your business Reddit ready? Give us a call. We'd love to talk.